Muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari MBERE Nyakang'o ni akanite thitango 4 iria thitangiirwo mari na angi 10 matauma igoti-ini cia kuhingura na gutwarithia na mbere mihango ya SACCO matari na marua kwigwatira mbeca na njira ya ngungo guthondeka maratathi ma maheni na kuhenia igoti. Nyakang'o uri gukinyitio mbere ya mucirithania Alex Thuku ni arekirio na bodi ya shilingi milioni 2 kana mbeca farifari shilingi 500,000.
On bond, that is not opposed and it's a constitutional right. The only test is whether the accused person will come to court when we require him. I hereby admit her to a bond in the sum of Kenya shillings 2 million with one surety of similar amount. There is an alternative of Kenya shillings 500,000 cash bail. Summons to issue.
Kuringana na maratathi ma igoti gatagati ka mweri wa 11 mwaka wa 2019 na mweri wa 5 mwaka wa 2020 Nyakang'o na arunake ni mahingurire SACCO ya FEP SACCO Advantage mugaro na watho na matari na marua ma kumetekeria na magitunya Claudia Mweni Mutungi muigana wa shilingi milioni 29. Oho maratathi maya maugite kwirwa ya ni mathondekire maratathi ma maheni ma kuingira SACCO ino na magikira kirore gia Claudia gia kuonanire mumemba wa SACCO iyo na njira ya ngungo. Riu mucirithania Thuku ni athite mwena wa thitango unengere mawakiri ya Nyakang'o na arunake wira uria mari naguo mbere ya cira uyu gwetetwo ringi tariki 13 mweri uyu.
Summons to issue, that is against the other 10 who are not in court today. We will mention this matter on 13th of December before this court. The defense will be supplied with of course the charge sheet, any statements and documents that may be used as exhibits in this case.
She said you are over borrowing, you are overspending on nonsensical things, you are coming up with fake deals, you are buying fuel that doesn't exist, you are eating the money, and all Kenyans are watching and looking at the government. It started with Fred Matiang'i, the story ended. It came up with Madam Nyakang'o. There's another story that is coming up. We have other individuals who are working from the Kisii community who are qualified and professional enough because they are called that these were Uhuru orphans.
Wikio ngono na kuhigurirwo thitango kwa Nyakang'o kumanite na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi gukindira thitango irendekithitio ni borithi cia uthuthuria kuhitukira marua maria andikire DCI tariki 30 mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu. Nyakang'o acagurirwo gutuika muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari mweri-ini wa 6 mwaka wa 2020 na atanyitwo gutungata kwa ihinda ria miaka 8 na ni mugitire ni watho. Agora Nyakang'o kuma giturwa-ini kiu kurabatara mundu andike mateta kuri bunge nayo bunge ihitukie riendekithia ria kumuhagura niguo nake president kumana na itua ria bunge ombe kamiti ya mwanya ya kumuthuthuria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.